Amazon is reducing its carbon footprint by decarbonizing transportation by boosting the efficiency of the fleet, increasing the utilization of low-carbon fuels, and increasing the number of electric and alternative fuel vehicles. To support this thesis, 145 million packages were delivered to customers using electric vehicles in the US and Europe. 1 billion euros are being invested to double the European zero-emission fleet. Nowadays, engaging in sustainable practices has become a fundamental mean of strategic advantage. In 2022, Amazon's carbon emissions decreased by 0.4%, even as their year-over-year net sales grew 9%, by improving efficiency across the business and continuing to invest in renewable energy. They grew renewable energy capacity by 8 gigawatts, which was a record for the most announced by a company in a single year. Further reductions are achieved by using algorithms to devise the most efficient routes and delivery stations closer to the customers, smaller and lighter packing options which take up less space to transport, and the company has launched the first electric heavy goods vehicle.
Amazon's final goal is to decarbonize the transportation network in each segment from first move to last mile. First move is represented by inbound transportation based on road, rail, air and water. The company has been increasing the use of ocean freight, simultaneously reducing air freight in order to decrease the enterprise carbon emissions. Middle mile used to transfer shipments between Amazon's facilities. The company is implementing new low-carbon innovating options, such as trucks powered by renewable natural gas, battery electric, and hydrogen-powered trucks, provided by important partnerships and ties with renewable fuels technology companies. In the last part of the journey, Amazon uses electric delivery vehicles. In dense cities, micromobility hubs that are smaller, centrally located delivery stations enable the organization to implement non-traditional delivery methods such as e-cargo bikes and on-foot deliveries.
Amazon has ordered 100,000 new electric vehicles to convert their delivery fleet to electric vehicles. These electric vehicles should be on the road by 2030 with the goal to replace the old fuel-based vehicles. Amazon has also started using biofuels in the ocean transportation, which leads to less pollution. In the last couple of years, Amazon started to increase the service of their parcel box station. A study by Norwegian Institute of Transportation Economics found out that picking up packages from a parcel box results in a 30% reduction in the carbon dioxide emission. Amazon has also contributed more than $2 billion to the Climate Pledge Fund, which is a fund that invests in visionary companies with the goal of finding new, greener technology that help businesses reduce their carbon consumption.
Amazon takes steps to lessen its environmental effect and saves money by investing in energy-efficient equipment and processes for its facilities and transportation services. This includes LEDs and energy-efficient HVAC and short-distance delivery trucks. Amazon has also invested heavily in solar power projects. By producing its own renewable energy, the corporation has reduced its use of coal and petroleum and saved money on electricity for facilities. Amazon is redesigning their package to save waste and make shipping containers smaller. This reduces supplies and transportation expenses because delivery vehicles can hold more products and shipments can be smaller. Amazon recycles and reuses packing materials, which helps the environment and saves money on rubbish disposal. Finally, Amazon can reduce its environmental impact and save money by adopting more environmentally friendly supply chain practices.
Amazon has always been one of the most innovative companies over time, and its management is very careful about its own environmental impact by adopting several approaches aimed at reducing fossil fuel consumption and making the whole process more efficient. Specifically for last-mile delivery, Amazon might develop a shared logistics system in order to exploit the traffic flow. In fact, every day, a large number of workers commute to work taking specific routes. The basic idea could be to synergistically use each individual's itinerary for logistic purpose in return for a financial remuneration. In additional positive impact in terms of sustainability, the company might use its own courier for picking up and disposing of recyclable waste at the same time of delivery.